I wanted to share about my experience in working with developer Habib. Habib created a website for my business, Intent and Purpose Solution. So I just wanted to share about his skills in SEO, web development, and graphic designs. So first of all, the project, he gave me an estimated date of completion. He completed it before that date. Even with some hiccups with my hosting provider, he was still able to not only meet the expectation of the date, he actually completed the work beforehand. When he submitted to me the first, draft, you would say, it wasn't exactly what I wanted. I was able to give him some ideas, which I didn't give him to begin with, but I was able to give him some idea of what I was looking for. He went ahead and presented exactly what I wanted. He made revisions as needed. He produced a great website, so I'm really happy with his work. And like I said, he is not only professional, he's efficient. He did the extras, and like I said, I had some hiccups with the hosting site beforehand that I thought were resolved. And so once Habib began working on my web development, he realized those issues were there. He handled it. I really didn't have the time to handle it because I was at work. But he went ahead and he took care of it. And he didn't charge me anything extra. But of course, because of the time he spent additional, I am gonna tip him for that because I really appreciated it. I appreciated the time he took. I am satisfied with the work. I'm going to go back to him to actually go ahead and complete do my websites for social media. So he's going to do my social media sites for me. He does social media marketing. So I'm very satisfied with his work. He's going to have a repeat customer to go ahead and do my social media sites for me. And if you use Habib, you won't be disappointed. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you're considering using him, go ahead and try him out. I guarantee you won't be disappointed at all.